Hello friends, welcome to the next session of Icecream video editor. In this video we are going to learn about the interface of the Icecream video editor. Let's start. Okay, here we see media library. In this media library we are seeing here different types of tools. This is the add files. Whenever you click this, just add. Here you see all your document, whatever the file you want to import, you can import from here. Just open, it will drag there. Next is add color. The color you want to put there, just add it. Color will be accepted there. Next is show all files. This is the all files. It shows your all files, whatever the files, image, pictures you have created. Next is video files. This shows only the video files you have created. Similarly, this is the image. It shows the image, or you want to put any image there. This is audio. Whenever you want to put audio in your files or videos, whatever, you can simply create from here. This is the search button. You can search from here. This is icon. This is the small view icon, and it is large view icon. Here you see your video in a small size, and here you can see in large size. Here landscape. In this landscape, we can see it is in ratio, that is 16:9 ratio, 4:3. Landscape, portrait, Instagram. It means 16 means width and 9 means height. It is in horizontal. Landscape is in horizontal, and whereas portrait is in vertical. 16 width and 9 height. It means 16:9 ratio. Width is to height ratio. Similarly in portrait, 9 is to 16 ratio. This is width. Here in landscape, width is large in number and height is small, whereas in portrait, width is small and height is large. Similarly in Instagram, 1:1 ratio. Next is my project. Whenever you want to see your projects, all projects, whatever the projects, simply just click it. Here you can see all your projects you have created. Or if you want to create new project, just click this. Your new project will start, and you can do here your work. Next is export video. After completing your video project, you can export it in different format like AVI, MP4. Here this arrow, if you click it, in your video will be seen in large full screen. And this is drag and drop your media files. Whatever you have done in add file, the same work is done here. Just simply click it, your folder file will open, and you can drag from here. Just open it, your file will drag there. Below here we are seeing here timelines. Your file, whatever the file you have put it here, you have been dragged here. It is just drag down, and you can merge here, edit, crop, whatever you want to do. Okay, we will talk this timeline in our next video. Okay, thank you, be happy, bye bye.